Let's take a closer look at another incredible extension that teachers have access to in Google Chrome in order to provide unlimited voice notes and audio feedback to students, specifically on Google Docs. That is the voice notes feature inside of the extension Read and Write for Google Chrome. So I've gone ahead and opened a demo student assignment in Google Docs, and I'm going to launch Read and Write for Google Chrome by clicking on the purple puzzle piece here in my extensions bar. Once I have expanded the Read and Write toolbar, I am now going to come down to my student's assignment, and I am going to highlight or select the text that I want to leave a voice note or audio feedback for. I am then going to come back up to the Read and Write toolbar and click on the voice note icon, the play button here. This will launch the voice note recorder. Now, one thing to point out is that you will see a 1-minute countdown timer. That's because you only have up to 1 minute to record your voice note or audio feedback. Now, don't worry, you can add as many voice note comments to your students' work in Google Docs as you wish. Let's start recording by clicking the microphone button. As you can see, that 1-minute timer is counting me down, and I can now go ahead and provide timely, specific feedback that is actionable for this student. Tracy, it's great that you're trying to incorporate key vocabulary from our unit, but remember to make sure to explain the vocabulary word in your own words instead of copying from the textbook. Once you've finished recording, simply click stop, and notice that you can press play to preview, and you can then press the insert button to insert this voice note as a comment on your student's Google Doc. We'll give that a minute to load. As you can see, that comment appears in the right margin of the student's Google Doc, and we can tell that it's connected to this specific statement because this statement is highlighted, and when we click on it, that brings to the forefront this particular comment. Now, the student can listen to the audio feedback as many times as they need to as they're working towards improving their work. All they have to do is press play. If they don't see a play button, they may see a hyperlink. All they would have to do in that case is click on the hyperlink, and they'll be able to listen to the audio feedback. Tracy, it's great that you're trying to incorporate key vocabulary from our unit, but remember to make sure to explain the vocabulary word in your own words instead of copying from the textbook.